Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So let's see the unboxing of Mayono AU902 and the pop filter. So this is the mic. The mic looks premium. There are knobs in front to control the volume and the gain, and the headphone jack in the back. We also get a Type-C to USB cable. The quality of the cable is also good. And let's look at the specifications. The mic is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS. The original price is around 8,000, but I got this mic for around 3,000 rupees in the sale on Amazon. So this is the pop filter. The quality is good. We have a Mayono branding in front. So let's look at the specifications. It says microphone core, diaphragm of 14 mm condenser. So what exactly is a diaphragm? Diaphragm is something that moves in reaction to external sound, pressures or vibrations. It converts waves or vibrations into electrical energy. So frequency response is in the range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. So what exactly is the frequency response? Frequency response is the output level or sensitivity of a microphone. And what is the good frequency response for a microphone? A microphone with a frequency response range of around 80 Hz to 15 kHz would be a good choice for a vocal microphone. Sampling rate is 44.1 kHz or 48 kHz 16 bit. So what exactly is a sampling rate? Sampling rate is how fast samples are taken. We can define it as how many times the analog signal sent by a microphone or instrument is sampled per second. The higher the number, the more samples of the analog signal are collected per second. For example, let's say an audio CD has a sampling rate of 44.1 kHz, which means that the analog signal is sampled 44,100 times per second. This microphone has the same sampling rate. So what is sensitivity? Microphone sensitivity is the measure of the microphone's ability for converting acoustic pressure into an electric energy. The higher the sensitivity, the less preamplification required to bring the sound to a usable level. SNR ratio is 70 dB, which is, I think, is poor. What is SNR ratio? SNR is signal to noise ratio, which is technically the ratio of the power of the signal level to the noise power that corrupts that signal. Therefore, the higher the ratio, the less noise will be apparent in the overall microphone signal. The good SNR ratio for microphone would be 79 dB or more than 79 dB. And this microphone has a self noise. So I think for this kind of microphone, SNR ratio should be around 84 dB. It says this is cardioid microphone. So what is cardioid microphone? Cardioid is the most common directional polar pattern with the highest sensitivity to sound coming in from directly in front of the microphone, let's say around 0 degrees. Practically no sensitivity to sound coming directly from behind, that is 180 degree, and a reduced sensitivity to sound coming in from the sides, 90 degree and 270 degree. A cardioid mic is a lot better at excluding background noise and room reflection than an omnidirectional mic. If we look at the frequency response chart, we can see the horizontal number in a microphone frequency response chart indicate frequencies. In our case, it's 20 Hz to 20 kHz. and the vertical numbers represent relative output level in decibels. As you can look at the frequency chart, you can tell how this microphone performs at certain frequencies. The quality of pop filter is good. Let me show you the samples with and without pop filter. Paper, puff, paper, puff. Now this is with the pop filter. Paper, puff, paper, puff. The good thing about this mic is Type-C connectivity and the volume and mic gain knobs in the front. And you can hear your own voice with zero latency while recording. That is the reason why I bought this mic. But the sound quality is not good and it has a lot of static noise. So I don't recommend buying this mic. There are plenty of other good options. So rather than buying this mic for around 3000, I think you should go for Blue Snowball Ice or Audio Technica or Blue Yeti. Those are good microphones. So is this a good mic? No. Let me show you the static noise that it captures. Can you hear the background hiss sound? This is what this microphone captures. I have also contacted the support center of Maono and I asked them about the noise cancellation and the static noise. They told me that they'll look into it and they have asked me to send them the noise sample. I sent them the noise sample and I haven't got any response till date. So I don't think so that they have an answer. I don't know why other YouTubers who are doing the review of this mic or other Maono mics are not telling the truth. They are not showing the noise that it captures. They are only telling the good things about Maono mics. We need to use Audacity for the post-production to remove this background noise. So I don't think this is good microphone. There is no noise cancellation at all. If you are paying that much money, you should get a better microphone. I have given the links in the description of good microphones that you can buy. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Take care.